The legendary American rock band R.E.M. was an indie band with a solid foundation, but failed to produce a notable hit. After a long tour, their music was stereotyped, and the members were realizing it. Guitarist Peter Buck said in an interview with the magazine Rolling Stone, "I was a little bored with guitar. I had been playing it 8 hours a day for all of my life. When it was time to prepare for the new album, they decided to try something completely different from the way they had been." Peter Buck, who didn't want to play the electric guitar, caught a mandolin, and bassist Mike Mills switched to keyboards. Drummer Bill Berry picked up the bass. Their new album, Out of Time, produced in that way, had been on the music charts for more than 2 years. Do you feel that your way of working is stereotyped? So you don't have any more new ideas? Then reject your past altogether. Although there will be risks, this is the best way out of stereotype.